Difference between startup and corporation. The origin and primary difference between startup and corporation are: startup is a new company found by entrepreneurs seeking in market disruption and high margin and high financial returns. Exist in via IPO acquisition. In contrast, cooperative venture CV involves a new company launching or investing in new ventures and strategic advantages like new tech, marketing, learning. And in simple words, it is: startup is a young, innovative and collaborative, while corporation is a slow move, format and hierarchical. If you learned, follow for more, and bye.